Imagine stepping outside your door and discovering that one of the most powerful healing plants on the planet is right there in your backyard. It's not just any plant, but one that has been overlooked and underestimated for far too long. Often dismissed as a mere common weed, this plant holds secrets that could transform your health. Known for its clingy seeds that stick to your clothes, this plant is actually a hidden superplant, brimming with health benefits that many are unaware of. It's not an exotic herb from a distant land, but a resilient plant that thrives in sunny spots all over the world. Spanish needle. Instead of waging war against these so-called weeds, perhaps it's time we start learning from them and embracing their potential. Spanish needle is like a natural first aid kit, used for centuries by traditional healers for a variety of ailments, from soothing sore throats to calming skin irritations. Modern science is now catching up, validating these ancient uses and bridging the gap between old wisdom and new medicine, showing us the true potential of this plant. Today we'll delve into the secrets of this remarkable plant, exploring its rich history, the science behind its benefits, and simple, safe ways to incorporate it into your life. By the end of this journey, you'll see that what was once a pesky weed is now a powerful ally in your quest for better health and well-being. Let's meet the incredible Spanish needle and unlock its potential together. So, what is this mysterious plant that seems to pop up everywhere, yet often goes unnoticed by most people? Spanish needle, scientifically known as Biden's Pilosa, is a fascinating member of the daisy family, Asteraceae, and is instantly recognizable once you know what to look for. Its delicate, small white flowers with bright yellow centers resemble tiny daisies, making them easy to spot in a sea of green. But what really sets Spanish needle apart are its unique, needle-like seeds that cling stubbornly to your clothes, socks, and even your pet's fur after a walk outdoors. This ingenious seed design allows the plant to hitchhike across great distances, helping it spread rapidly and thrive on every continent except Antarctica, making it one of the most widespread wild plants on Earth. You'll find Spanish needle growing just about anywhere: backyards, fields, roadsides, gardens, and even cracks in the pavement. Its ability to flourish in disturbed soils is why it's often labeled a weed, but that resilience is also a sign of its strength. This plant's remarkable adaptability hints at the powerful natural compounds hidden within its leaves, stems, and roots. Depending on where you live, you might know it by many names: beggar ticks, blackjack, farmer's friend, or even Spanish needles. These names reflect its global presence and the way it's woven into local traditions. The leaves are a vibrant green, with serrated edges, and when you crush them between your fingers, they release a distinctive aromatic scent that hints at their medicinal potential. For generations, traditional healers have valued Spanish needle, using every part of the plant, leaves, stems, roots, and flowers, to create a variety of natural remedies for different ailments. Each part of the plant is packed with a rich array of bioactive compounds, including antioxidants, flavonoids, and essential oils, all of which contribute to its impressive healing power. So the next time you spot this humble plant, remember, it's not just an ordinary weed, but a globally recognized medicinal herb with a long history of use. Spanish needle's rich history, spanning from ancient traditional medicine to modern scientific research, and its promising future in natural health, make it a true standout among healing plants. Let's take a closer look at how cultures around the world have discovered, cherished, and used Spanish needle for generations. Spanish needle's healing story spans continents and centuries. In Africa, it's a staple remedy for malaria, fevers, and infections, often brewed as tea or applied as a poultice. Indigenous peoples in the Americas used it for coughs, wounds, and as a blood purifier. Across Asia and Oceania, it's valued for clearing heat and toxicity, supporting urinary and kidney health. Despite cultural differences, its uses are strikingly similar: fighting infection, reducing inflammation, and supporting internal cleansing. This global consensus speaks to its real, observable effects. Ancient healers laid the groundwork for modern research, pointing scientists to its most promising benefits. The plant's consistent use across cultures is a testament to its power. Spanish needle is more than a folk remedy. It's a bridge between traditional wisdom and modern science. We owe much to the generations who recognized its value. Now, let's see what science says about its most exciting benefits. One of Spanish needle's standout benefits is its ability to fight inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and aging. Spanish needle is loaded with flavonoids and polyacetylenes, compounds proven to inhibit pro-inflammatory molecules. Studies show it can help reduce swelling and pain, especially in conditions like arthritis. After a tough workout, a cup of Spanish needle tea may help your muscles recover faster by calming inflammation. Its anti-inflammatory action benefits your whole body, not just sore joints. By adding anti-inflammatory plants like Spanish needle to your diet, you're protecting your organs, blood vessels, and even your brain. This is about promoting balance and wellness from the inside out. Nature's remedies can help us maintain the healthy equilibrium our bodies need. Let's look at how Spanish needle supports your immune system next. Spanish needle is a powerful ally for your immune system. Its antimicrobial properties help fight bacteria and viruses, making it a traditional remedy for colds, sore throats, and infections. Research shows extracts from Biden's Pilosa can even inhibit antibiotic-resistant bacteria. Drinking Spanish needle tea may help you fend off illness or recover faster. It also helps balance your immune response, preventing overreactions that can lead to allergies or autoimmune issues. Compounds in the plant regulate immune cells, keeping your defenses strong but not overactive. When you feel a cold coming on, a cup of Spanish needle tea can soothe your throat and boost your immune system. Natural remedies like this work with your body, not just against symptoms. That's the true power of plants like Spanish needle. Your liver works hard to detoxify your body, and Spanish needle is a traditional liver tonic. Modern studies confirm its antioxidant compounds protect liver cells from damage. After a weekend of indulgence, Spanish needle tea can gently support your liver's cleansing process. It's also a digestive ally, used for ulcers, diarrhea, and indigestion. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects soothe the gut and help maintain healthy gut flora. A balanced gut microbiome supports immunity, mood, and overall health. Spanish needle calms bloating and gas, and may even help protect against ulcers. It's a gentle, effective way to support your digestive system from start to finish. This plant truly works from the inside out. Now, let's see how it helps your skin heal. Spanish needle has a long history as a skin remedy. Traditional healers used crushed leaves as a poultice for wounds, burns, and rashes. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties help prevent infection and speed healing. For minor cuts or bites, you can crush fresh leaves and apply them directly, or use a cooled tea as a skin wash. It's also helpful for chronic skin issues like eczema or psoriasis, calming inflammation and irritation. Spanish needle works both internally and externally. Drink it as tea or apply it topically. Its versatility makes it a true skin-saving superplant, simple, natural, and effective. Next, let's talk about how to use it safely at home. Ready to try Spanish needle? This versatile plant has been used for generations in traditional herbal medicine, and it's surprisingly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. The simplest and most popular way to enjoy Spanish needle is by making a soothing herbal tea. Just use 1 teaspoon of dried Spanish needle herb or a small handful of fresh leaves for each cup of tea. Pour hot water over the leaves, let them steep for 10 to 15 minutes, and then strain out the plant material. The flavor is earthy and slightly bitter, which some people find unique. If you prefer a milder taste, Try adding a bit of honey or a slice of lemon to balance the flavors and make your tea more enjoyable. Start with just 1 cup a day at first, and pay attention to how your body feels. Everyone reacts differently to new herbs, so it's important to go slow and see what works for you. For skin issues like minor cuts, rashes, or insect bites, you can brew a stronger tea and use it as a gentle wash or a soothing compress. This method allows the beneficial compounds to work directly on your skin. Another great option is to infuse dried Spanish needle into oils, which you can then use to make homemade healing salves or ointments for topical use. If you're interested in foraging, always be absolutely certain of your plant identification. Use a reliable field guide or a trusted plant identification app to avoid any mix-ups with look-alike plants. If you're unsure about foraging, it's safer to buy dried Spanish needle from a reputable organic supplier. This ensures you're getting a clean, high-quality product. Remember, quality and safety are crucial. Spanish needle often grows in places exposed to pesticides or pollution, so always check the source and avoid plants from roadsides or contaminated areas. Always choose sources you trust, whether you're buying from a local herbalist, a health food store, or an online shop with good reviews. With just a little care and attention, you can safely enjoy the many benefits of this remarkable plant, bringing a touch of nature's healing power into your home. But before you get started, let's go over a few important precautions to make sure your experience is both safe and rewarding. Spanish needle is generally safe, but always use caution. Talk to your doctor before adding any new herb, especially if you have health conditions or take medications. It may interact with drugs for diabetes or autoimmune diseases. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid it. There's not enough research on safety. If you're allergic to plants in the daisy family, steer clear to avoid reactions. Start with a small dose and watch for any unusual symptoms. Mild digestive upset or allergic reactions are rare but possible. Listen to your body and stop if you notice side effects. Remember, this information is for education, not a substitute for medical advice. Spanish needle can be a powerful part of your wellness plan, but it should complement, not replace, professional care. Consult your healthcare provider to integrate it safely. Today you've discovered how Spanish needle, once dismissed as a weed, is actually a global superplant. Its benefits, from fighting inflammation to healing skin, are backed by tradition and science. Embracing natural remedies like Spanish needle isn't about rejecting modern medicine, but integrating the best of both worlds. Taking time to brew a tea or make a skin remedy is an act of self-care and connection to nature. My challenge: look at the plants around you with new eyes. Learn their names and stories. Nature's pharmacy is open to all who are curious. Spanish needle is just one chapter in the book of natural healing. Use this knowledge to take a small, positive step for your health today. Every step toward nature is a step toward a healthier you. Thanks for joining me. Here's to your health.